Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's napkin folding tutorial, the Hyacinth Fold. This tutorial is 1 out of 10 folds, all utilizing a napkin ring. Check out the playlist on the corner right and subscribe for more. The hyacinth belongs to an array of the first plants blooming in the spring. Here in the Netherlands, the bulbs have been cultivated from the 16th century onwards. It is a very common Easter flower, perfectly suited, though in a pot, to furnish table set. This fold is tall, standing about 10 inches above the table surface. Therefore, it's not suited for windy outside conditions, such as seaside settings, yards, pools. You can, however, lay the fold down, though the majestic breaker effect is lost. In a moment's notice, I will show you this fold compared to another napkin ring fold called the pineapple fold or ananas fold. Both folds representing fauna, so they accompany each other very well. Enough talk about those fine peculiarities of this fold. Let us get started. You need a 20 by 20 inch table napkin. All colors are suited, though I recommend pastel tones. The best for stiffness are damask cotton napkins. I'm using a Luna A-type hotel piece here. Concerning the napkin rings, use a 1/1/5 till 1/3/5 inch napkin ring. For the rest, you just need a folding bone and kitty cat to watch your folds. Fold the napkin to a triangle. Fortify the crease. Now you fold the right and left points up to the triangle point, as shown here. I recommend to fortify all plications, as these will be important for the overall appearance. Turn the napkin over so that the free points are down. Fold the left and right points to the middle. Watch for symmetry here. Now fold the bottom point with the open points up. For easiness, I turn the napkin 90 degrees. Then you roll the now bottom and upper edge to the middle, and then you take your table napkin ring and fit it in the bottom of the napkin, so that the napkin bottom edge aligns with the napkin ring's bottom edge. Now make sure that the napkin looks nice, arrange everything, and there we have it, the hyacinth fold, perfectly for many occasions. For the professional amongst you, this napkin ring fold is done in about 30 seconds, so you could fold about 50 an hour. If you do not have napkin rings, use 1-inch ribbon to hold the bottom edge. However, the fold will not stand up. As always with tall folds, napkins can fall over and take red wine glasses with them. This concludes the narration of this fold. Now you will see the folding only. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.